Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to make your Wix website header transparent. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Wix website and now I'm scrolling down. As you can see currently, I'm using a sticky or fixed header or navigation bar. And here we can see currently my header is not transparent. Now I will show you how you can easily make your Wix website header or navigation bar transparent. First of all, go to your Wix website editor. Once you are in site editor, first of all, select your header or navigation bar and then click on this more actions icon and click on change header design. And here you will see a little pop-up opened for your header design. Here you will find these themed header, no color. So all you have to need to make your Wix website header transparent, you have to select no color for your header. Once you've selected, now I'm going to preview my Wix website. And now I'm going to scrolling down. And as you can see, currently my Wix website header is a transparent background. So this is how we can actually do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.